How to make your windows look clean and minimal. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can easily make your windows look really clean and minimal. Let's get started. For that, you can first go ahead and search for Store and open up Microsoft Store. Once you have opened it up, you want to go ahead and search for Selenium UI and install this application on your device. It's completely free, so you're going to be good to go. Once you install it, just open it up. Let me just go ahead and quickly search for it. Open up the application. It's going to allow you to add different widgets and other wallpapers to make your desktop really minimal and clean. Once you have opened up the app, what you want to do next is simply go ahead and click on this little icon here and then go over to settings. Click on the gear icon and go to app settings. Once you open up its settings, you want to go to resources and go over to themes. Then from here, you can find all of the available themes. Make sure you toggle on the bubbles theme. Toggle this on and you should be good to go. Then you want to go to wallpaper manager and you can enable wallpaper manager from here. You can also randomize slideshow for your wallpapers. Select wallpapers from here. You can discover more wallpapers on this link. I'll just go over here and you can also add different widgets like your UI settings, wallpaper manager, dock and taskbar, work screen viewer, shells and pop-ups, and many more settings. Let's just go ahead and click on this UI settings right here to click and go to wallpaper settings. You can click on randomize and you should be good to go. Now you can remove your desktop icons from here. Click on save. Close this out. Right click here and I'll just go ahead and hide my desktop icons. Once that is done, you can easily add different widgets here and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.